Have you ever wondered why roasted chicken, juicy apples, and fresh loaf of bread eventually turn moldy or start emitting bad odor and finally spoil? Just as human beings that have different causes of death, food also can be spoiled through different mechanisms. Let's dive into the causes of food spoilage. Food also can spoil through various mechanisms. The most causes of food spoilage are microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, and molds. These tiny organisms are present everywhere, including our body, air, soil, and our food. Being a living thing, they need food and nutrients to grow and survive. This forces them to compete and feed on our food. Different microorganisms have their own condition to spoil food. Some are water lovers, heat lovers, and oxygen lovers. When the condition is favorable, they multiply in thousands and millions and spoil food. In most cases, they multiply very fast around temperature of 30 to 40 degrees. This is why it is advisable to store food under refrigeration so as to reduce or stop their multiplication. Enzymes are biomolecules. Just like microorganisms, enzymes also require favorable conditions to spoil food. A clear example of spoilage caused by enzymes is in brownish banana and frozen fish. Phenolase is the enzymes in brownish banana and dimethylase in fish. These enzymes are naturally present in the food or produced by microorganisms. For more video notification, subscribe to this channel. Insects such as weevils, worms, bugs, and fruit flies causes extensive damage and spoilage of food and reduce its nutritional value and make the food unfit for human consumption. A clear example is in beans, pork meat, grapes, and apples. Additionally, rats and rodents also destroy and contaminate our food by depositing toxic and unsafe excretes. Do you know that 20% of the world food is contaminated and spoiled by rats and rodents? So always keep them away from your food. Food is composed of different chemical constituents bonded by different chemical bondings. When some foods are exposed to certain external compounds and factors, they react and spoil the food. A simple example of this is when oil is exposed to oxygen or light, which causes unpleasant taste and aroma. However, even in the absence or without external chemical factors, different compounds react with each other and ended in spoiling the food. Example, when carbohydrates reacted with proteins. A clear example of this is in pizza and cheese, where bad odor and unpleasant taste is perceived. For more video notifications, support us by subscribing to this channel, Easy Food Science and Tech.